Hello, I'm Dr. Alex Keller, naturopathic doctor and medical director at Fullscript. The purpose of today's webinar is to review how Fullscript is now available for integration into EMR and EHR software. We're super excited to showcase these new integrations and would love to hear your feedback or questions. As a practicing ND, I'm particularly excited to demonstrate these integrations since I know firsthand how workflow efficiency is crucial for us integrative medical practitioners. After this demonstration, there will be a question and answer period, so please feel free to comment or message us. We'd also love to know what EMR you'd like to see integrated with Fullscript, so please check out the link that we've provided to you today to vote. All right, let's get started. For those of you who aren't currently using Fullscript, it's an online dispensary and e-prescribing tool that provides you access to thousands of professional-grade supplements and nutraceuticals for recommendations to your clients without the need to carry an inventory. Through Fullscript, you can reduce your current overhead, provide your clients with a convenient venue to get their supplements, and earn revenue from supplement sales and refills. Before the capability for EMR/EHR integration, as practitioners, we would have had to write a full protocol on our EMR/EHR platform and then duplicate that protocol in Fullscript for our patients to receive their supplement information. By integrating between our EMR/EHR platforms, our online dispensary is now valuable because it optimizes workflow, it saves time, and it minimizes patient confusion. Today, I'm going to be going through a series of videos of our current integrations and show you how these tools can add value to your everyday practice. Let's jump into our first EMR/EHR integrated software called Charm. Charm is a really well-known EHR platform in the integrated medical space. Here's a quick view of their integration with us. So as you've just seen, this integration optimizes workflow because practitioners are not having to work through multiple screens and go back and forth through the different platforms. Everything is available in one view: the record, the protocol, and the supplements recommended. Let's take a look at our next example. This is a platform called Practice Better. Practice Better has a super fast and simple user experience. As you've seen, the usability of this integration allows you to work efficiently. It saves time by putting all aspects of the treatment plan, so food, lifestyle, and supplements, all into one step. That is something that a lot of practitioners have been asking for, and Practice Better has been able to bring that together into one simple tool. Another main feature of all of these integrations is the patient experience. By integrating Fullscript into the EMR EHR patient portal, it helps minimize patient confusion. Power to Practice is a robust platform for integrated medical practitioners that's done this really, really well. Let's take a look at how this works. As you can see, the patient view has a link in their portal that directs straight to the recommendation. And what's really cool about this is that by clicking that one button, all of the products recommended are automatically populated into the patient's cart, and they can either choose to check out or they can continue shopping depending on what they need. The patient doesn't need to get multiple emails, and they can order specifically what they need through that one click. As we've demonstrated, integrations are great because they optimize the workflow and prevent duplicate steps. They save you time when writing your protocols, and they minimize patient confusion by combining everything into one place. So that wraps up the introductory component of the webinar. Let's open it up to some questions, and don't forget to please vote for your favorite EMR and EHR platform. We can take questions in this question period, but if you have any further questions after the webinar, you can also contact our integrations team via integrations@fullscript.com, or feel free to reach out to our customer success team via live chat on our website at fullscript.com, or by phone at 1-866-807-3828. So I'm here with our lead integration specialist, Hala Al-hafez.
Hi.
And we're going to be answering your questions for today. So we've actually already had a few questions come in, and we're going to start with answering those. So let's start with the question from Kimberly?
Yeah.
Kimberly on Facebook just now, asking whether this is just for certain integrations or certain EMR platforms. And as it stands right now, it's live with 4 EMR platforms, 3 of which you just saw. The 4th is Serbo by MDHQ, which just went live this last week. We have another coming up next week called OptiMantra, and then there's about 2 dozen that are in development right now as well. So as we said at the end of the demonstration just now, what we'd love is for you to be voting for any of the EMR integrations that you want to see, so that we can work towards making those happen.
Yeah.
So I think we have a few more questions. Hala, do you want to answer a few?
Sure, yeah. I'm getting a question here. What will my patients be receiving? So with the integration, the patients will be receiving communication from the EMR service that you use and also Fullscript. They're going to be getting in the emails, either from your EMR service and also on Fullscript. You can control or set up how your emails need to be. And then some integrations as well have built Fullscript into the patient portal. So a patient can log into the patient portal and then order their supplements via Fullscript from there.
Yeah. We have next here. So here,
Yeah.
Do I need to create a new Fullscript account or EMR account to use integration? And the answer is no. You can use your existing accounts on both sides. And it's actually really easy. Depending on which integration, you can either automatically just input the code that you generate on the Fullscript side into the EMR, or you just have to provide the code on the Fullscript side to the customer service team on the EMR side. So it's a really simple process that takes less than a day to set up, right?
Absolutely,
Yeah,
absolutely. And then there's also always myself. I'm the integration specialist that would then walk you through and help set up the integration within and use the EMR support as well.
Yeah. So we basically link the two sides through these codes that are generated. If you go actually into your Fullscript account, you go into dispensary settings, you'll see there's a tab there that says integrations, and in there is where you would generate those codes specific to your account that you then pull over into your EMR account.
Absolutely.
Yeah. That's the next one.
We have, can I build my favorite supplements into my EMR? Yes, absolutely. There are tons of tools within the EMRs that allow you to then build your supplement favorites, the ones that then feed through to Fullscript right away.
Yep. And what actually we're working on right now is the capability to pull over your pre-developed favorite categories in Fullscript so that they automatically populate in your EMR as well. That's not live just yet, but we're hopefully a few weeks out from having that available.
Absolutely. What about billing and reporting?
Billing and reporting, yeah. So ultimately, Fullscript still handles all of the billing and reporting in that regard. Depending on which EMR you're using, there is some reporting that goes on that side as well that's pulled over from the Fullscript side. But because the transactions still happen through Fullscript, most of that will still take place on that side as well.
Yeah, your patients are placing the order via Fullscript itself, and then even your payout margins and things like that are all on Fullscript.
Yeah, exactly. We have here.
We're getting one here. Yeah. I don't have a Fullscript account yet. How do I use the integration? So definitely doable. If you want to be using the integration with Fullscript, we'll just set you up with a free Fullscript account. It takes maybe a couple of minutes to set up, just on Fullscript.com. And then as soon as you're signing up, there's a question that says, where did you hear about us? Make sure you insert in the EMR service that you use so that we can then track that and follow up with you with the instructions on how to set up your integration.
Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Got one more here. If I set up the integration, can I still write recommendations on Fullscript if I wanted to? Yes, absolutely. So you can do both. You can do one, you can do the other. And what actually some of the integrations are the way they're being built now is that if you write in Fullscript, it'll actually push over to the EMR as well. So you can optionally choose which platform you want to use. But what we're seeing, and as you've just seen, the integration capability that the EMRs are developing is actually very user-friendly. So we found that even existing Fullscript accounts or users are using the integration on the EMR side readily and are enjoying it quite a bit. So it really comes down to personal preference, but there is definitely that link, and you can use both depending on what you prefer. Yeah.
We have someone who uses Practice Better here, Natalie. Definitely awesome. Let us know how it's been going or if you needed any help setting up.
Yeah, and Practice Better has been a great, well, all of the partners have been great so far, but Practice Better has been awesome. And they have a really good customer service. So if you need support with setting it up on their side, Hala and their CS team work really well. So reach out to us, reach out to them, and we'll make it happen really easily.
That concludes our questions.
Yeah, we don't seem to have any other questions coming in right now. So like we said, if you have any other further questions, please feel free to reach out to integrations@fullscript.com. Yeah. And you can also contact our CS team, our customer success team. The easiest is via live chat on www.fullscript.com. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Take care.